my brows. Look at my brows. Look at my brows. Look at my. Hi guys, welcome and thanks for coming to my YouTube page. In today's video, we're going to be working on my eyebrows. Can you see? Let's get right into the video. So before you do your brows, you have to make sure your face is clean. Get any type of oil off your brows. Before I do anything, I use my spoolie, brush up my brows to make sure that all the hairs are going in one direction. So I just brush up my brows, and I don't have a wax as of this moment, so please bear with me. It's always good to get your eyebrows waxed and plucked before, but if not, just use your little tweezers and do it yourself. My eyes are kind of like dry. I'm just rubbing them with some water and white to help brush them up, keep them in place. So I use like any type of baby wipe to keep them in place, or you can use some wax. What is it? Brow gel to keep it going upward in that same direction. So what I do is I take just a regular spoolie and I try to fill in my brows with the lighter color first. And this is how I fill them in a little with make little fake baby, like fake hairs going upward in the areas that doesn't have any hairs. It's going to look messy right now, but don't worry about that. Okay, and I take my spoolie and I do the same thing. I just brush my hairs going in one direction. Then I just take my white and wipe around so it don't fall out. And then I use my Nickak. This is, I forgot the color, but it's almost like a brownish color. From this I got from like a local beauty supply store. So as you can see, this is the color that I'm using. And it does come with like a little brush to help So this color looks like a ebony chocolate color. And after I do that, I just go in with the little pencil and go start from the back first. And I take my spoolie and make my ears go in one direction. If you want a budget, Dollar Tree, Target sometimes they'll have their Real Technique brushes on sale. It works really good. The 3D base creator. Got this color in, well actually it doesn't have a color, but it's a level 09. I'm going to use my inker brush to go up under my eyes and you guys can see the difference. I'm going to start from the tip, the end part. I start from here and I work my way upward. So here it goes. As you can see, I did like a little sweep arch, and I'm gonna clean it up afterwards, but I'm just showing you guys. Start from the tip, middle, and tip, middle, and I'm gonna go to the other side. I mean, your brows don't have to be perfect, but you want to make sure that they're okay, that they're not going any other way. So I usually do this so that, I mean, I don't want them to be the same because they're like sisters. They don't have to be the same. But you don't want your face to look all crazy. You know what I mean? It's simple and easy to me. I like it because it makes my brows, my face stand out more when I do it this way. So this is how I like to do my brows. So continue watching. This is a deluxe crease brush, and this is from Real Techniques. This is number 300 from Real Techniques. Spray, any type of set spray or water works good. Just spray my brush. Take my little mirror. I always have like a handy mirror in place while you're doing it, and then I just go under first. Try not to go too far up on the tip. Just go under and just rub softly under the brow area. So you can see how it looks. And you see it's like a little highlight there. I keep just a tad bit of highlight up under the brow bone. And then I just drag the brush going this way because I have to do this side. I'm going to start here, work my way back. So I do and then you just blend. Make sure when you're blending, you're working back and forth. This is how I do it, so everything can just blend well together. Oh no, it just blend well. And I use my setting spray everywhere. So as you can see, to get rid of the unibrow, you make sure you align everything together. You go in the middle. This is how I do it. I go in the middle of my nose, stop right there, go down the bridge of my nose, like so, and then I just go upward, make sure that everything is fine. Forward. And I just move from side to side, sizzling the unibrow out. I'm just blending everything so that it flows well. And then what I like to do afterwards, I use the mini Fenty Beauty cinnamon stick. You can find this at Sephora. Of course, you know, you guys, Rihanna has the collection. You can go online at her website, or you can go to Sephora and get it. I got mine from Sephora. So I'm going to do the matchstick up under the tip of my eye. It's just like a little highlight, not too much. The Real Technique brush, and just blend that up under my eye. As you can see with the highlight, you guys can see that. Do the same thing to this side. If you guys like the Real Techniques, like no lie, they're really good. I love Real Technique brushes. So this is the final look, guys. This is how I do my everyday brow. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you like the content that I'm bringing. Just a simple brow. It's nothing too drastic or dramatic. It's just something simple. Yeah, so if you guys like what you see, if you would like more information about the products that I'm using, they'll be down in the description box. So I hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for tuning into my video. Talk to you soon. Bye.